Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today we will be discussing an important topic that, if not acknowledged, can have you living the rest of your life in pain. And we don't want to live in pain, brothers and sisters. I'm talking about the importance of always seeking Allah's forgiveness. When we seek His forgiveness, we also seek forgiveness for the ill treatment of ourselves and of others around us. What does this mean? The way you treat, the way you look, the way you make somebody feel through words and actions can affect their life. Meaning that you can reach adulthood and still have that resentment, hurt, pain, and can even jeopardize your self-esteem. The thing is, brothers and sisters, that sometimes people do not let us know that we have hurt them. Instead, they keep it in their hearts and minds, and it can affect relationships they have or will have with others in the future. Brothers and sisters, we must forgive. Seek forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and seek forgiveness from those whom you have wronged. This will help maintain good and healthy relationships, especially with family members. Don't act with pride or arrogance. Be the bigger person and show your imaan through actions. Being the bigger person may be difficult to some because the egos may overpower your best intentions, but that is nothing but evil whispers of the enemy. We must not let the ego overcome our faith. Allah forgives most sins. There are certain sins, like associating partners with Allah, which is shirk, that He does not forgive. However, if one repents sincerely, Allah's mercy is vast. Holding grudges, harboring ill feelings, or cutting ties with family members can hinder one's chances of receiving Allah's forgiveness. To my young people, respect and be kind to your parents, even when there are disagreements and you lose patience. Self-reflect and ask yourself, have I wronged anyone lately? What can I do to make amends? What can I do to make a wrong a right? Always strive for improvement. Allah Azza wa Jal will accept your good deeds and even reward you in this life and the hereafter, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the courage and the capacity to reflect and ask for forgiveness.